Are you among those who want to score 300 and above in your upcoming UTME 2025? If yes, come over here. This video is for you. Now I'll be recommending some best textbooks for you that you can study, and once you study it, I'm assuring you 300 and above in your UTME exam. Now for sciences, chemistry textbook for UTME 2025 is Lamlad, no doubt. Why? Because Lamlad summarize all their topics, short, meaningful, and very understandable, meaning that you don't need to reach too much story. And students nowadays, they like something short but meaningful. They don't like too much story. But if you can't get Lamlad, then I'll be referring you to New School Chemistry. You see, New School Chemistry is very bulky, and also too much of stories are there. Yes, so if you know you can read a lot of stories, then go for New School Chemistry. Apart from those two, nothing more. Now going to physics. In physics, I am recommending Lamlad Physics as well. Lamlad Physics will give you the best. Once you sit down, study it, definitely you're going to hate it. In mathematics, I am assuring you, if you study New General Mathematics for book 1, book 2, and book 3, also combine it to New Project for the Mathematics book 1 only. Once you study that, you are good to go in your mathematics. Also biology. Everybody knows that essential biology is the best for UTME examination. Now going to geography, I'm also recommending essential geography. Now talking about English. In English language, we have numerous textbooks that can aid your English in your UTME. Now one of them is Fundamental Formulas of English Language. Study that textbooks, you are good to go. And also A to Z Jamb use of English is also the best for you. You can also get more for the humanity and for the social sciences. I'm referring to the art student and the commercial student. Just drop it in the comment section. Having those textbooks with you will not really help until you see someone who is expert in that field to explain to you properly. So with this, I am recommending our tutorial for you, which is what Math Chem tutorial. This is the best ever tutorial you ever see. But mind you, it is a virtual tutorial. I'm referring to online tutorial. Our tutors are very expert in what they do. They are experts in teaching. I mean, each tutor for a specific classes, meaning that a tutor for a subject, and these are our tutors. They are the best. They are experts in teaching UTME students. They are graduate students from so many universities in Nigeria, such as University of Ibadan, a first-class graduate, University of Lagos, University of Ilorin, Badoke Akintola University, and University of Benin. Imagine that. That's so massive. Imagine I myself teaching you chemistry. Oh, is that not too massive for you? Fine. Also, our classroom is just a WhatsApp closed group. A WhatsApp group, and also we use Telegram, we use Google Meet, and we use so many apps that makes you to learn very well as our classroom. Meaning that no students will have any challenges when it comes to our classroom. Time is 9 p.m. to 11 p.m. in the night. Imagine that. So convenient. Meaning that after doing your daily job, your daily chores, your daily work, then you can just come back at night just for 2 hours, 9 p.m. to 11 p.m. That's very massive. Now, how do we teach? This is how we go. We give assignments, we do voice notes, we do texts, we type, we send pictures, we snapped, we explain to you and break all these topics to you bit by bit. And mind you, we follow Jamb syllabus, guide all our students till we ensure that they are admitted to their respective university. Is that not quite impressive? Yes, everything here with just 5,000 naira monthly payment. Yes, so if you are interested in this, just send a message to the WhatsApp number displayed on your screen, or send a mail to our Gmail address displayed on your screen.